The first step to get into Google Calendar is to use your Gmail account and go up to the top right-hand corner where there's a box of boxes. Click on that and then pick the icon Calendar. Located on the left-hand side of your calendar is the month as well as all of the calendars that you have access to. Click on the drop-down arrow for My Calendars and click on Create New Calendar. The next screen will take you to where you get to add the details for the calendar that you are creating. You're going to need to give your calendar a name and possibly a description. Towards the bottom of the Creating a Calendar page, you can also choose to share your calendar with others. This can be large groups of people, as in the public where anyone and everyone can see it, or just the people in your organization. You can also share with just specific people. All you have to do is enter the email address and then decide how much information you want them to be able to input into the calendar, whether it's manage events or just create events, totally up to you. After that, you hit the Create Calendar button. Now it's time to create an event in your calendar. All you have to do is find your calendar on the left-hand side, click the drop-down arrow, and then hit the Create Event on this calendar. The Create Your Event page allows you to name your event, choose the date as well as the time that it occurs. You can also choose where it takes place and give yourself a description. The Create Your Event page also allows you to set up reminders. You can receive these through email, certain days from when the event takes place. You can also have pop-ups that will pop up on your computer to remind you of the event. A problem that sometimes occurs is when you cannot find one of your calendars. The way to solve this problem is to go to your My Calendars drop-down arrow and click on Settings. On the Settings page, you should see all of the calendars that you have access to. There should be a check mark in the Show In list if you want to see that calendar in the normal Google Calendar area. If there is not a check mark, just put one there and then you'll be able to access it whenever you need to. Also on this page, you are allowed to set other reminders and notifications. This would go back to sending pop-ups or emails for the events that you have put in the calendar. Here now is your homework for Google Calendar. Please have this completed by the September 4th, 2013 faculty meeting so that any questions can be asked at that point in time with anyone that is still having trouble. Thanks for your efforts.